जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद, श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। Okay, yeah, started.
Sometimes an impersonalist may gradually elevate himself to the personal conception of the Lord. Bhagavad Gita confirms this. After many births and deaths, he who is actually in knowledge surrenders unto me. By such surrender, an impersonalist can be elevated to the Vaikuntha Lok, spiritual planet, where as a surrendered soul, he attains bodily features like those of the Lord. In the Brahmanda Puran, it is stated, those who have achieved liberation from material contamination and those who are demons and are killed by the Supreme Personality of Godhead become absorbed in the Brahman concept of life and reside in the spiritual sky of Brahmajyoti. That spiritual sky is far beyond the material sky, and it is confirmed also in Bhagavad Gita that beyond this material sky there is another eternal sky. The enemies and the impersonalists may be allowed to enter into this Brahman effulgence, but the devotees of Krishna are promoted all the way to the spiritual planets because the pure devotees have developed their spontaneous love for the Supreme Personality of Godhead. They are allowed to enter into the spiritual planets to enjoy spiritual bliss in association with the Supreme Personality of Godhead.
Yeah. So you see, actually, this impersonalist and demons, they get the same benediction, same destination. Demons who are killed by the Lord and the impersonalists, they get the same benediction. But sometimes, when the person is hanging in the Brahma Jyoti, from a pure devotee may uh, a pure devotee may be going to back to Godhead. So while going, he may pick up, he may feel compassion on these people who are floating in Brahma Jyoti, and he may take them with him. So that's the good fortune of sometimes such Brahmavadis. So, but we see that the devotees who have developed spontaneous love, they can go directly to us, directly abode of Goloka, and they enter. So basically, these impersonalists, they have only chance if they come in association with the devotees and they surrender unto the Lord. If they don't do so, then generally they don't have any chance. Patanti ado anadhuta ishmadang. They again fall down into this material existence. That's what is their destination. Okay, read ahead.
Raja Ranjana, Hare Krishna.
Raja Ranchhodra Prabhu, are you reading? Haribol? Okay.
In the 10th canto, 87th chapter, verse 23 of Srimad Bhagavatam, Vedas personified address the Lord in the way, my dear Lord, yogis meditate upon your localized feature, and thus they are achieved the spiritual perfection of being merged in the impersonal Brahmajyoti. Person who treat you as enemy achieve the same perfection without meditating. The gopis who are embraced by your serpentine hands and those who have such a lusty attitudes
also achieve the same perfection. And as far as they are concerned, being different demigods in charge of different parts of Vedic knowledge, we are always following in the footsteps of gopis. Thus, we hope to attain the same perfection by the same perfection. We must always remember the example of sun and the sunshine. Those who are impersonalists can merge into the sunshine, sunshine like Brahmajyoti. Whereas those who are in the love with the Supreme Person enter into the Supreme Abode of Lord Golokunda.
Read it.
Yes. The lusty attitude of gopis does not refer to a sort of sex indulgence. Srila Rupa Goswami explains that this lusty desire refers to devotee's particular attitude of association with Krishna. Every devotee in his perfection stage has spontaneous Lord. His attraction is devotee's extensive desire to serve Lord in a particular capacity. Such a desire may seems to be a desire of rejoining the Lord, but actually the endeavor is to serve Lord in that capacity. For example, a devotee may be desiring to associate with the personality of God as his cowherd friend. He will want to serve the Lord by assisting him in the controlling the cows in the pasturing ground. This may appear to be desire to enjoy company of Lord, but actually it is spontaneous love, serving him by assisting and managing the convent of cows.
Yeah, so we discussed this last time that the word lust is used because
Intense love.
yeah,
Show intense.
to show the indicate intensity of love, as he's mentioning. So although it may appear to be, something like, intensity appears to be on mundane level, but actually it is devotee's excessive desire to serve the Lord in a particular capacity. So that's why word lust is used, because love can be very mild term. That's why lusty desires is this thing. So we see when Balramji also when cowherd boys, they were telling Balramji to go to Talwan, it seemed that they wanting to eat tal of fruits. They said that, oh Krishna, we are very hungry, so we want to eat tal fruits. And see, these tal fruits are there in